मैम
पेज नंबर 30, पेज नंबर 30। The Mughal era has a significant place in the history of India. The Mughals ruled from the early 15th century to early 18th century. ठीक है, 15 से 18th century तक रूलिंग हुई थी. After which the power and control of Mughal emperors started diminishing. उसके बाद उनकी जो पावर थी वो कम होने लगी. ठीक है. The Mughals were the descendants of Genghis Khan and Timur the Great. And came from present day Uzbekistan. The empire of Mughals extended from Afghanistan, Pakistan, India and China. ये सारे पार्ट थे जहाँ मुगल्स रूल करते थे. The Mughal emperors were not just good warriors but also able administration. बस उन लोग लड़ने में अच्छे नहीं थे पर उनका एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन मतलब उनके जब उनका रूल रहता था तो वो ज्यादा अच्छे से चीजें फॉलो करवा पाते थे. They were tolerant of other beliefs and encouraged art and culture. ठीक है, उन लोग के रूल में आर्ट एंड कल्चर बहुत फेमस था मुगल के रूल में. It was because of this that they were able to rule for so long over a large empire. With the War of Independence 1857, the dynasty came to an end. फिर वॉर हुआ इंडिपेंडेंस का 1857 में जिसकी वजह से डायनेसिटी एंड हो गई. बाबर 1830.
मैम which chapter? Yes.
Those who will not on the camera, they have to leave the class. Okay, Zahiruddin Muhammad Babur was the first great Mughal ruler. Okay, he was a great Mughal ruler. Zahiruddin Muhammad Babur. The name Babur is derived from the Persian word meaning tiger. ठीक है, बाबर का मतलब क्या होता है? टाइगर होता है. The Babur ruled Phrygian in Central Asia at the age of 12 after his father's accidental death. His initial years were spent without a kingdom as he was continuously attacked by his relatives in their quest for the throne. ठीक है, हमेशा वो relatives से attacked रहता था कि वो सिंहासन जो है, जो throne है, वो किसको मिलना चाहिए. He spent years of exile to gather support and build a strong army. In 1504, he captured Kabul. ठीक है, काबुल उसके कैप्चर में आ गया. Babur's most formidable enemy was Muhammad Saibin Khan, who from time to time captured Babur's territory. In 1510, the Shah of Persia, Asiya Safedi, defeated and killed Muhammad Saibin Khan. In return, Babur was expected to accept the lordship of Shah, who would allow the Qutub to be read in Babur's name. This arrangement continued for some time and Babur ruling Samarkand as a vassal of Shah of Persia. By 1510, the alliance came to an end and Babur re-entered Samarkand as the liberator. ठीक है, इस तरह से चीजें एंड में आ गई थी. ओके, यस यशिता, स्टार्ट रीडिंग.
Yes, ma'am. After the phases, Babur turned his attention towards the Delhi Sultan, which he believed to be his as his ancestors has established by Shahi dynasty, which was later displayed by the Lodi dynasty. He formed alliance with the Janjua Rajput and launched an attack on Delhi Sultan. Though he had a smaller army, Babur had introduced the use of matchlocks, mystery on the uses of handheld firearms, which enabled him to win many wars. Babur was an excellent strategist as well as warrior. The
two armies start.
The two army of Babur and Urban Lodi met in Panipat in 1526.
Okay.
Human led the Timburi army into the.
Pranjal, start reading.
Which para?
Which para? Which para?
Ma'am, Babu.
Where were you when she was reading? Where were you when she was reading? Yes, Shubhransh, continue reading.
Humayun led the Timur army into battle and came victorious. Ibrahim Lodi died on 21st April 1526 during the first battle of Panipat, which was a decisive victory for Babur. He immediately sent Humayun to capture Agra and Delhi. Babur himself followed Humayun and on reaching Delhi had the read in his name and then proceeded to Agra. On being presented the Kohinoor by the Raja of Gwalior in exchange for the safety of royals. He returned it being an expert in jewels, said its value would provide 2.5 days food for the world. The
Okay,
Rajputs
Shubhransh, okay. तो इट वाज द रूल ऑफ बाबर, है ना। बाबर का जो रूल था उसके बारे में बताया गया कि कैसे उन्होंने आगरा एंड दिल्ली को कैप्चर किया, कैसे फाइट्स हुई। दिस ऑल हैज बीन डिस्क्राइब्ड इन दिस पैरा। क्लियर? यस हर स्टार्ट रीडिंग।
The Rajputs had unified under Rana Shanga of Mewar and wanted to defeat Babur. With the hope of liberating India for Muslim rules, the Rajputs were confident because of the larger army, climatic conditions, and the descent in Babur's army. Babur, on the other hand, wanted to establish an empire instead of just looting and plundering. To inspire his unmotivated men, he declared war against the Rajputs and vowed to abstain from alcohol until he had vanished them. He finally defeats Rana Shah and other Rajput allies at the Battle of Kanoa in 1527. With the death of Rana Shanga, the Rajput threat was diluted but was not over. And was buried in Agra. According to his last wish, his body was later taken to Kabul and buried.
Okay, Harsh, done, done. ओके, सो राजपूत had unified under राणा संघा ऑफ मेवाड़। उनके अंडर उन्होंने काम किया, ठीक है। एंड वांटेड टू डिफीट बाबर, उन लोग बाबर को डिफीट करना चाहते थे, हराना चाहते थे। विद द होप ऑफ लिबरेटिंग इंडिया, ये होप था कि हम इंडिया में मुस्लिम रूल लाएं, इसलिए उन लोग को हटाना चाहते थे। मतलब मुस्लिम रूल हट जाए, ये हटाने के लिए उनको बाबर से फाइट करना चाहते थे। The Rajputs were confident because of the larger army. इन लोगों को इतना कॉन्फिडेंट कि ये जीत सकते हैं, क्यों? क्योंकि इनके पास लार्जर आर्मी थी, जो क्लाइमेट कंडीशन थी वो भी अच्छा था, जिसमें फाइट हो सकती है। और जानते थे कि बाबर की आर्मी में उतने अच्छे लोग नहीं है जो अच्छे से हमारे साथ फाइट कर सके। बाबर on the other hand wanted to establish an empire instead of just looting and plundering। ठीक है, बाबर को क्या था कि उसको लूटिंग नहीं करना था, उसको सिर्फ अपना ही एक एम्पायर खड़ा करना था, जिसकी वजह से सब उसको रिस्पेक्ट कर सके। To inspire his unmotivated men, he declared a war against राजपूत। ठीक है, अब क्या हुआ, जो ये सारे लोग थे जो अनमोटिवेटेड, मतलब लड़ाई के लिए मोटिवेटेड नहीं थे, इसलिए क्या किया इन्होंने, बाबर ने कि एक जो वॉर था वो डिक्लेयर कर दिया राजपूत के खिलाफ. Rajputs go to obtain from alcohol till he had damaged them. He finally defeated Rana Sanga and other Rajput allies at the Battle of Khanwa in 1527. ठीक है, बाबर ने क्या किया, इन सबको डिफीट कर दिया विद द डेथ ऑफ राणा संगा, जिसकी वजह से राणा संगा का डेथ हो गया था. The Rajput threat was diluted but was not over. ठीक है, till his death, Babur was fighting either the Rajputs or the Central Asian invaders. Babur died हुआ कितने में 1530 AD and was buried in Agra. According to his last wish, his body was later taken to Kabul and buried. उसका last wish था कि उसकी जो body है उसको काबुल ले जाया जाए और वहां पर उसको bury किया जाए. Okay. Now Humayun. Humayun was the oldest and the favorite son of Babur. Humayun was who? The son of Babur. ठीक है. On the deathbed, Babur asked Humayun to never punish his brothers, even if they deserved it, and it was the last wish which created many problems for Humayun. ठीक है. अब बाबर अपने deathbed पे कहा था, अपने deathbed पे उन्होंने कहा था कि तुम अपने brothers को कभी punish मत करना, चाहे उन्हें deserve करे ना करे, बट तुम उनको कभी पनिश मत करना, जिसकी वजह से बहुत सारे कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स हुए, हुमायूं को बहुत दिक्कत हुई. आफ्टर बाबर डेथ, हुमायूं असेंडेड द थ्रोन एट द एज ऑफ 22. बाबर की डेथ के बाद कौन? बाबर की डेथ के बाद क्या हुआ, ये सब लोग ज्वाइन, ये बाबर की डेथ के बाद हुमायूं को थ्रोन मिल गया एट द एज ऑफ 22. हुमायूं has been described as a charming personality, an artist. He has a charming personality means देखने में बहुत अच्छा था, चार्मिंग था, पोएट भी था, मतलब कविताएं लिखता था, आर्टिस्ट था, आर्ट भी करता था. ठीक है, एंड एस्ट्रोनॉमर भी था, एंड बट नॉट अ वॉरियर, मतलब वो लड़ाई वड़ाई सबसे दूर रहता, वॉरियर नहीं था. इवन दो ही हैड मेनी सक्सेसफुल मिलिट्री एक्सप्लॉइट टू हिज क्रेडिट. Humayun extended Gujarat and Malwa and captured the forts of Champaran and Mandu. ठीक है, वो एनेक्स मतलब लड़ाई हुई थी गुजरात और मालवा के लिए, तो उन्होंने फोर्ट्स कैप्चर कर लिए थे चांपर एंड मांडू के. बट शेर शाह proved a willing opponent. शेर शाह जो था वो अपोनेंट का काम करता था. At that time, Humayun faced problem in Agra with his brothers stacking arms in the throne. ठीक है, अपने ब्रदर्स के साथ बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम वो फेस कर रहा था थ्रोन को लेने में. Due to development in Agra, he tried the conspiratory methods to win over Sher Shah, but Sher Shah attacked the army camp at night and killing many sleeping soldiers. Sher Shah ने, बाबर ने क्या सोचा कि हम लोग एक अच्छा फाइट रखेंगे, एक अनाउंसमेंट करेंगे, इस दिन पे फाइट करेंगे, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं हुआ. क्या किया शेर शाह ने, रात में ही बहुत सारे उनके सोल्जर्स को मार डाला जो हुमायूं के सोल्जर्स थे. Humayun himself was lucky to escape the mascara by swimming across the Ganga using air-filled water bags. ठीक है, हुमायूं बहुत लकी था कि उसने जो गंगा है उसमें तैर के उसको पता चल गया और वो भाग गया था. In 1540, Humayun with his brother Akskari and Hindan fought Sher Shah at the Battle of Kannauj. ठीक है, बैटल हुई कन्नौज में, जो अपने वो ब्रदर्स के साथ, हुमायूं अपने ब्रदर्स के साथ लड़ा था. Hindar fought Sher Shah at the Battle of the Kannauj. He faced defeat and had reached the Agra. As Sher Shah's army was fast approaching, they moved from Agra to Lahore. आगरा से लाहौर चले गए. शेर शाह refused to compromise and asked Humayun to go back to Kabul. शेर शाह बोला कि मैं compromise नहीं करूंगा, आपको काबुल जाना पड़ेगा. On approaching Kabul, Humayun was informed about the army that was advancing out towards them. He decided to leave his son Akbar behind in the care of his nursing mother and moved with his troops through the Hindu Kush to Iran to seek refuge in the Safavid Empire. Okay, see this paragraph is related that how Humayun captured the throne. कि बाबर के मरने के बाद हुमायूं का बेटा जो था कि थ्रोन कैसे मिला उसको, कैसे उसको कौन-कौन सी मुसीबतों को सामना करना पड़ा, एंड आगरा किसके अंडर पे आया. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट दैट, है ना. दिस इज द पैराग्राफ. ओके, यस श्रद्धा, स्टार्ट रीडिंग. श्रद्धा
मैम मेरी क्लास कट हो जाती तो मेरे को पता नहीं आप किस पेज नंबर में पढ़ा रही हैं.
वेरी गुड. यस अंजलि, स्टार्ट रीडिंग.
Yes, ma'am. The Shah of promised assistance, including 12,000 of the choice cavalry of Humayun to enable him to attack Kamran. In exchange, he wanted Humayun to convert from Sunni to Shahi Islam and hand over Kandahar with his superior army. Humayun took Kandahar from Ansari. He then moved to capture Kabul from Kamran, who fled
Kabul, not
before
Kabul.
getting Kamran even attempted to make a pact with Sher Shah descendant before he was captured by the Gahras, a tribe fiercely loyal to the Mughals. In spite of his inclination to forgive, Humayun finally ordered Kamran blinded and Ansari changed and sent on a pilgrimage.
Okay.
Humayun turned toward
Okay,
India.
Anjali, stop. Okay. So the Shah of Iran promised assistance, including 1,200 of the choicest cavalry to Humayun to enable him to attack Kamran. ठीक है, कमरन पे अटैक करना था, इस वजह से जो शाह था ईरान का, उसने प्रॉमिस किया कि हम अपना जो रहेगा आर्मी 12,000 का वो आपको प्रोवाइड करेंगे. In exchange, he wanted Humayun to convert from Sunni to Shia Islam. इसके जब उन्होंने सोचा कि मैं आर्मी आपको तभी दूंगा जब जो हुमायूं है वो सुन्नी से शिया इस्लाम में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. With his superior army, Humayun took Kandahar from Askari and he moved to capture Kabul from Kamran. ठीक है, उसने accept किया and he moved there. Who fled before getting captured. Kamran even attempted to make a pact with Sher Shah's descendant before he was captured by Gakrahas, a tribe fiercely loyal to the Mughals. ठीक है, Gakrahas कौन थे? एक ट्राइबल का नाम है जो लॉयल रहते हैं मुगल को लेकर. In spite of inclination to forgive, Humayun finally ordered Kamran blinded and Askari changed and sent on a pilgrimage. Humayun turned towards India after the death of Sher Shah. ठीक है, Humayun India आया जब शेर शाह की डेथ हो गई. Then his son and successor Islam Shah. He made Bairam Khan his trusted general in charge of the attack. ठीक है, Bairam जो था वो trusted general था, मतलब उस पर believe किया जा सकता था. Bairam Khan, a seasoned military man and tactician, ensured a smooth passage to the throne of Delhi. ठीक है, एक smooth passage चल रहा था दिल्ली तक. Once in Delhi, he became leader and extended his empire to east to west. His exile in Persia had influenced many aspects of his region, from administration, revenue collection to art and miniature. Humayun died in 1556 within a year of assuming power. Then he tumbled down the stairs of the library. ठीक है, Humayun की death हो गई कभी 1556 में Humayun was dead. Okay, yes, Akshat, start reading.
Within a year of amusing power, when he tumbled down and
Akshat, Akbar पढ़ना. Akbar पढ़ना. Akbar 1556 21605.
Akbar was a threat Mughal empire to rule from Delhi. He the throne at the age of 313 during the battle. He Sheikh Andar Shah and dissident. मम्मी क्या है?
Descendant.
Hmm?
Descendant.
Of the Shah who he claimed the throne. His early spent learning to fight and arts with the help of become the powerful brave warrior, but he was a liberties in education was not given much important. The मैम एक मिनट मैम ये थोड़ा सा मैम just a 2 minutes.
Okay, given much importance. ठीक है, the initial years were spent in consolidating his position. He neutralized the threat from Sher Shah's dynasty by defeating Sikandar Shah and annexing Punjab. The powerful king Humayun has captured Delhi during his absence under Bairam Khan's direction. Akbar led his Mughal army against the larger force of Humayun and killed him during the second battle of Panipat in 1556. So second battle of Panipat was fought in 1556. He further captured Jammu, Gwalior, northern Rajputana and Jaunpur Akbar then concentrated on expanding his empire. He annexed Malwa, Gond, large area of Rajasthan, Gujarat, and Bengal. Okay, so this was a fight of the Akbar. Akbar was also a Mughal emperor. ठीक है, ये सारे मुगल लोग हैं, जैसे बाबर पढ़ा आप लोगों ने, हुमायूं पढ़ा, ये सभी हमारे मुगल रूलर थे, मुगल थे जिन्होंने फाइट किया था अपना एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन स्ट्रॉन्ग रखने के लिए, अपना एम्पायर स्टैब्लिश करने के लिए. ठीक है, so this was about Akbar. Akbar was illiterate as education was not given as much importance. ठीक है, अकबर उतना पढ़ा लिखा नहीं था. He was illiterate, but he was a powerful and brave warrior. बहुत अच्छा फाइटर था वो, बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा फाइटर था. ठीक है, he neutralized the threat. फिर उसने बहुत उसका थ्रेट रहता था लोगों को. शेरशाह डायनेस्टी भी उसने अपने अंडर कर ली थी, और ये सारे मालवा, गौंड, लार्ज एरिया, राजस्थान, गुजरात, बंगाल, ये सारे उनके अंडर आ गए थे. Okay, yes, Ved, start reading.
Characteristic of Akbar's region was his
Where you are reading? Where? Page number 33, you have to read. Second para. Left hand side.
Ma'am, ये अखबार से
Page number 33, left hand side. Second para.
This in a charter fort was computed after 4 months of since the garrison stayed inside fort when flee with support from local peasants and citizens. The fort was plundered and destroyed. A large number of civilian population was massacred while women committed jihad. The fort at Ranthambore was ruled by powerful head
Okay.
king
Okay,
of
stop.
Rajput.
Stop. So Akbar's victory over Chittor and Ranthambore are historically significant. मतलब बहुत अच्छा उन्होंने उस समय अपने अंदर चित्तौर और राथमपुर को कैप्चर कर लिया था. चित्तौर fort was captured after 4 months of siege. The garrison stayed inside fort valiantly with support from local peasants and citizens. ठीक है, जो वहाँ के लोकल थे, जो लोकल फार्मर्स थे, जो वहाँ रहते थे, उन्हीं लोग फॉर्ट किए अपने उस फोर्ट के लिए. Fort was plundered and destroyed. A large number of civilian population was massacred while women committed jawhar. ठीक है, women jawhar commit करते. As soon as they get the news that their husbands are dead, they used to jump in the fire. आग के कुंड में उन लोग जंप कर देती थी, जौहर कर लेती. That is jawhar. They used to die. They used to burn themselves. The fort at Ranthambore was ruled by powerful Hadas clan of Rajput who opposed to the Mughal rule. वो Mughal rule को oppose करते थे. In 1569, after a hard-fought battle, the Mughal army was successful in conquering this fort. ठीक है, एक battle fought हुई जिसकी वजह से मुगल ने ये fort को अपने अंदर कर लिया, Ranthambore fort को. After the fall of Ranthambore, other Rajputs of Bikaner, Bundelkhand, and Jaisalmer also surrendered to Akbar. सारे अकबर को surrender कर दिए थे. Only the Rajput clans from Mewar presented continuous opposition to Akbar, refusing to accept his domination. To celebrate these victories in 1569, Akbar started construction of Fatehpur Sikri near Agra. ठीक है, जब उन्होंने सारा फोर्ट अपने अंडर कर लिया, तो ये विक्ट्री सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए क्या बिल्ड किया गया? फतेहपुर सिकरी बिल्ड किया गया नियर आगरा. After Rajasthan, Akbar turned to Gujarat and captured Ahmednagar and Surat. Okay, he captured Ahmednagar and Surat also. By 1573, he supposed the rebellions led by the estranged cousins, thereby establishing his authority. The fertile lands and prosperous trade road of Gujarat added substantially to the wealth of his empire. In the following year, Akbar captured Patna and annexed Bengal. He expanded his empire by annexing Kashmir, Kandesh, and Kabul, and many other smaller principalities and kingdoms. Okay, yes, Maheen, start reading. Yes, Maheen, start reading. You don't know where you have to read. Yashi, start reading. Yashi, start reading.
Any characteristics of Akbar's
Unique characteristic. A unique characteristic.
a unique characteristics of Akbar's reasons was his relationship with Hindus and Rajputs, unlike his predecessors who propagated the spread of Islam. Akbar was very tolerant of other religions, though his intellectual battles records the measures of others. It was more a political than a religion policy. Akbar allowed Hindus into his court who court, court who served in high positions during interior battles. There are several instances of temple being destroyed and looted and of being converted into mosques. But in later years he made donation to temple and also allowed conversion of with Hindu Rajput princes were practice even disfound by their families and were not given the same place or respect as other Muslim queens. This their daughter or sister in marriage were given positions in court and treated with the same respect due to the Akbar was able to win over Hindu Rajput, creating new allies.
तो एक यूनिक कैरेक्टरिस्टिक, एक अच्छा कैरेक्टरिस्टिक था अकबर के रीजन का, जो रिलेशनशिप था हिंदूज और राजपूत के बीच में, जो रिलेशनशिप था वो बहुत अच्छा था, जो कि यूनिक कैरेक्टरिस्टिक था अकबर के पीरियड का. Unlike his predecessors who propagated the spread of Islam, अकबर was very tolerant to other religion. उसको बाकी रिलीजन भी उतने ही पसंद थे जितने ये वाले रिलीजन पसंद थे. तो his initial battles record the massacre of others. ठीक है. During the battles, temples were destroyed. Temple destroy हो गए थे. टेम्पल से सारा सामान लूट कर दिया गया था. ठीक है. बहुत सारे टेम्पल्स को कन्वर्ट कर दिया गया था मॉस्क्यू में, जो मुस्लिम लोग जहाँ वर्शिप करते हैं, है ना. He made donation in temples, also allowed conversion of mosque in कुरुक्षेत्र into a temple. ठीक है. बहुत सारे मॉस्क को टेम्पल में कन्वर्ट कर दिया गया था. मैरिज विद हिंदू राजपूत प्रिंसेस वे प्रैक्टिस इवन उसको जल्दी करने लगे थे. वुमेन एक बार मैरिज हो गई मुगल से तो दूसरी फैमिली में नहीं जा सकती, ऐसा नहीं था. दूसरी फैमिली में जाके भी वो लोग मैरिज कर सकते थे एंड दैट मच रिस्पेक्ट दे यूज्ड टू गिव देम. ओके, नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट पेज. जहांगीर नाउ. Pranjal, start reading.
Jahangir succeeded his father Akbar. He was named Muhammad Salim after Sheikh Salim
Christie.
by whose blessings he was the first surviving child of Akbar. As a result of this, Akbar was emotionally attached to Sikri, the place where Salim Christie lived, and shifted his capital to Fatehpur Sikri. In 1600, Prince Salim raised an open rebellion against Akbar and declared himself emperor. Akbar favored his grandson Khusrau Mirza, son of Salim, to him, but upon this death, Salim ascended the throne. He later defeated Khusrau Mirza and had him blamed for revolting. In 1627, Shah Jahan, the younger brother of Khusrau Mirza, had him assassinated to ensure his place on the throne. The internal conflict gave the Persians an opportunity to seize Kandahar from Mughal control. Forcing the Mughals to lose the trade continued the expansion of the Mughal empire with the zeal of his father. Most of the regions in the north, except Mewar and a few petty states, had been conquered. His aim was to conquer Mewar. Therefore, he launched fresh attacks on the kingdom. The century-long war between the two kingdoms came to an end in 1615 when the Rana accepted Mughal domination and signed a treaty. Jahangir maintained pressure on the states of Deccan region by attacking them as they were still unconquered. Jahangir was a tolerant
तो ये जहांगीर का रूल था. जहांगीर सक्सीडेड हिज फादर अकबर. सो जहांगीर वाज अ सन ऑफ अकबर. ठीक है, सन अकबर का सन था जो उससे फॉट किया एंड ही वाज सक्सीडेड इन दैट. ही वाज नेम्ड मोहम्मद सलीम आफ्टर शेख सलीम चिश्ती, अ सूफी सेज. एक सूफी सेज था, उनके बाद उनका नाम हुआ. Who was the principal? By whose blessing he was the first surviving child of the Akbar. एक surviving child था अकबर का. As a result of this, Akbar was emotionally attached to Sikri, the place where Salim Chishti lived, and shifted his capital to Fatehpur Sikri. And he was shifted to where? Fatehpur Sikri. In 1600, Prince Salim raised an open rebellion against Akbar and declared himself the emperor. So this paragraph is all about that how he conquered Fatehpur Sikri और कैसे वो अपना एम्परर एस्टैब्लिश कर लिया था. ठीक है, जो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट हुआ था पर्शियन एंड बाकी मुगल कंट्रोल में एंड अफगानिस्तान, पर्शिया एंड सेंट्रल एशिया, जहांगीर कंटिन्यू टू द एक्सपेंशन ऑफ द मुगल एम्पायर विद द zeal of his father. जो उसने अपने फादर से सीखा था वही सब इसमें हुआ. His aim was to conquer मेवाड़, therefore he launched his first attack on the kingdom. उसका एम था कि वो मेवाड़ को अपने अंडर रख ले and he came to an end of the Rana expected Mughal domination and signed a treaty. Jahangir maintained pressure on the states of Deccan region by attacking the dynasty unconquered. ठीक है, अभी conquered नहीं हो पाया था. So your time is up. We'll continue tomorrow. You have to read the Jahangir part. Jahangir part आप लोग पढ़ लेना. And what was the important point? You have to underline that. Tomorrow I will ask that. And try to solve. Choose the correct option, match the following and fill in the blanks. ये सॉल्व कर लेना है सभी को. ठीक है, और जहांगीर का पार्ट पढ़ लेना because tomorrow I will ask what you have learned from that para. Is it clear to everyone? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.